Good morning. This is the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency public hearing for the KCE NY 31 LLC project. I'm going to read the notice of public hearing for the record. Notice is hereby given that a public hearing pursuant to Article 18A of the New York State General Municipal Law will be held by the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency, the agency, on the 5th day of February 2025 at 9:15 a.m. local time. Please be aware it is now 9:20 at the Town of Brookhaven Town Hall, 1 Independence Hill, Farmingville, New York 11738, in connection with the following matters. KCE NY 31 LLC, a Delaware limited liability company, on behalf of itself and or the principals of KCE NY 31 LLC and or an entity formed or to be formed on behalf of any of the foregoing, collectively the company, has applied to the agency to enter into a transaction in which the agency will assist in the acquisition of a long-term ground lease hold interest in an approximately 2.28 acre portion of an approximately 46.98 acre parcel of land located at the North Country Road, Shoreham, New York, more particularly described as Suffolk County Tax Map number 200-39-2-2, the land owned by the Long Island Power Authority, the owner, and the construction of approximately 50 megawatt / 200 megawatt hour battery energy storage system thereon, the improvements, and the equipping thereof, including but not limited to battery enclosures containing battery cells and electrical equipment, including electrical substation equipment, collectively the equipment, and together with the land and the improvements of the facility, which facility will be used by the company to provide a battery energy storage system for the residents of the Town of Brookhaven, the town, that will store excess energy and interject it back into the PSEG Long Island grid as needed, collectively the project. The facility will be initially owned, operated, and or managed by the company. The agency will acquire a sub-leasehold interest in the land, a leasehold interest in the improvements, entitled to or a leasehold interest in the equipment, and will sublease, and lease the facility to the company. The agency contemplates that it will provide financial assistance to the company in the form of exemptions from sales and use taxes and abatement of real property taxes consistent with the policies of the agency. A representative of the agency will, at the above stated time and place, hear and accept written comments from all persons with views in favor of or opposed to either the proposed financial assistance to the company or the location or nature of the facility. At the hearing, all persons will have the opportunity to review the application for financial assistance filed by the company with the agency and an analysis of the costs and benefits of the proposed facility. This was dated January 26, 2025 by the Town of Brookhaven Industrial Development Agency, Lisa Mulligan, Chief Executive Officer. We do have representatives here that would like to make comment. Camera, if you'd like to be. Did you both want to make comments? Okay. So, Chris, if you would state your name and your representation, and go ahead and make the comment.
Christopher Shishko, like Gercio and Gercio, we're general counsels of the Shore and Wading River Central School District. Thank you for having us here today. On behalf of the district is supportive of development in the community. The district has concern about pilots and the way pilots are calculated and the way they impact school budgets. And specifically with regard to this project, the district has a concern as to the appropriate method by which the pilot schedule in this project is being determined. There is questions as to whether the appropriate method evaluation is the cost to produce the project, the cost of construction, or as it appears to be in this case, the cost based on the production capacity of the facility. And we would ask that the IDA take a hard look at that issue before issuing any tax incentives in this case, because it's important that we get it right. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to leave this public hearing open just in case anybody else joins us. It is 9:37. There has been no additional comment or participation in this public hearing. Inasmuch, I am going to close this public hearing. 9:37 a.m. This is the KCE NY 31 LLC public hearing with the Brookhaven IDA